Meet Detectives Ray and Beamer, the AI team from LightBeam. Beamer, the perfect detective dog, keeps sniffing for sensitive data all day, every day. Be it your databases, emails, file repos, or ticketing systems like Jira and Zendesk. Beamer uses its natural language processing engine to detect the presence of any confidential information. But there is a problem. All this scanning generates alerts that Ray needs to act on. She, being a smart detective, or a lazy one, doesn't want to spend all her time manually resolving these alerts. Automation to the rescue! What just happened behind that one click? Let's replay that in slow motion. Ray detects sensitive information and eliminates risks as follows. Zendesk support tickets containing payments data, masked. Slack messages with PII, detected and deleted. PHI data in images and files, redacted. And more, all automatically. LightBeam automation helps privacy and security officers to focus on strategic compliance initiatives and be audit-ready all the time. Data security and privacy automation with LightBeam. For the smart and lazy ones.